Hi, I'm State Senator Sharon Brown, and I'm so ecstatic to really be here celebrating this momentous occasion today. The celebration of Collaboration Hall, the first building that is publicly funded on the Tri-Cities campus, the WSU Tri-Cities campus, in 30 years. I've only been working on this for a small portion of that time, for about a third of that time. And I just want to say, if there's ever a point in your life where you're thinking about giving up or walking away or whatever, think back to this very historic occasion. It's taken 30 years, but gosh darn it, we all got it done. We came together, and as the name really indicates, we all collaborated. We collaborated, and we were able to get this building, which is going to be so fantastic for the community. And it's really going to be a wonderful opportunity for the entire region. And I'm just so glad that we are all here to celebrate this, and we have this opportunity. And don't give up. Keep chasing something when it's important. You got to just keep chasing it. And really so excited that we have this. Go Cougs!